Hey y'all, so I'm out here on a job site. This is a little beer garden that's being built downtown, and I came yesterday and put up these two posts, these two steel posts. There's one and there's one. These are 4-inch posts, 1/4 inch thick, 3 feet into the ground, 7 feet on top. And then we're coming and putting a 1/8 inch beam across the top. And that's my helper, Simon. And he's using the titanium 125. We're just using that to put these up. It's not structural or anything. It's going to be for a gate that I'm going to build this week. And we are running it off the Vulcan Outlaw 195. And let me show you the weld we're getting on there. Pretty decent welds. So he's up there. We're just fastening it down. These there's always a train in downtown Seneca, but let me walk over to these other posts and get a picture of those. So these are the posts that we put in over here on this other side. Again, these are 4-inch square tube, 1/4 inch wall, 3 feet into the ground, 7 feet at the top. And then we're going to come across with another 4x4 square tube going across the top, but it's only 1/8 of an inch, and it's just decorative. And there'll be two gates on here that swing out, and I'll make those this week. But that's what it's like right there, and that goes into the beer garden. And that's a wine cellar and a butcher, and that's going to be a new restaurant. We're pretty excited about this build. It's going to be really, really nice. It's going to be a nice spot to come to. But so once Simon gets done with that one over there, we'll move our gear over here, throw this thing at the top, and we went ahead and capped both ends at the shop. And we used MIG on that, but to put these up, we're just using the titanium flux core 125. Perfect job for something like this. And there's some more shots of Simon using the flux core 125 on this square tube up here. And you see we capped off the ends of this at the shop with MIG, and we just put this across the top, fasten down to the posts, and then we can start building the gates. There's one, and there's the other way over there on the other side of that guy. Okay, so we've moved over to the other post, and Simon's up there using the titanium 125 to attach that 4x4 box channel up there on the top. That top piece is an 1/8 inch thick, and the two posts going up are 1/4 inch. And it's going pretty good with it, and the end of it's a capped. But it's pretty nice welding this box channel, because that has a pretty good radius to it, and then we're putting it down, welding it down on the flat cut of the post going up, so it makes a pretty good area to weld in. And as you can see, we're running this on the Outlaw, the Vulcan Outlaw 195 welder generator. Got an extension cord. That's a 12-3 extension cord. And Simon is a really good welder, and so he's up there making it happen. And this is what they look like before we brush it. And then when we're done with the welding, we'll get the wire wheel on the angle grinder, clean them up, pack up our stuff, take a picture, send it to the owner, and we're out of here. Okay, so far this project is complete. So we got these 2 posts, and we got 2 posts over there that I'm fixing to show you. And then we put this bar up across. And yes, we used the titanium 125 off the Vulcan Outlaw welder generator. And it turned out really nice. Let me see if I can get some close-ups.